Namaste everyone, I'm Sapna Rana Rawat, and in this video I'm going to basically demonstrate how one should do Tratak. So in the last video we covered Kunjal, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate Tratak. So Tratak, as I mentioned, that it is basically gazing at an object without blinking your eyes continuously for as long as it's comfortable. So the object can be a lot of people do Tratak on rising sun or setting sun. So if you are choosing rising sun, make sure it must be done early morning when the sun is orange, when you can actually see sun clearly, okay, and comfortably. You can a few people, you can also practice a Tratak on moon, especially if it is done on full moon day. It feels really nice. And Tratak can also be done on the candle flame. So on candle flame also you can choose to do Tratak. People can also do Tratak on nose tip or on the eyebrow center. So in this video basically I'm going to show you how I prefer to do Tratak. So basically what we are going to do, we are going to practice Tratak on a small point, a small dot on paper. So let's start. So here is my A4 side sheet, and I'm going to use this paper for Tratak. Right in the middle of this paper I'm going to make a small dot. Basically you're going to make a sphere. So this the dot shouldn't be too big or too small, so it should be good enough to focus, and it should be kept at your eye level. So I have the dot ready with me. So you see, good enough. So I'm going to use this dot for as an object for my Tratak practice. So you basically have to paste this paper on a plain wall. It's important to paste it in a plain wall so that the eyes don't get distracted to any other object but will be kept on this particular dot. So let me just paste it on a wall now. So this is going to be my practice space. I'm going to be sitting here, and this is the dot where I will be focusing on. It is very important that you should be able to comfortably observe and gaze at the point you are focusing on. It shouldn't be too high or too low. It should be just at your eye level, okay. And see there, the wall is plain, so that's why my focus will be comfortably going to be on the point of focus, that is this black dot. So that was Tratak, a very simple but highly effective yogic technique to cure all your eye related problems, to improve your focus and progress in the path of in the spiritual path. um, Tratak, unlike other Shatkarmi Kriyas, which must be practiced early morning, empty stomach, can also be practiced in the evening. So it's not hard and fast to practice Tratak only in the morning. You can also practice it in the evening. Though the practice looks very simple, you may face lot of difficulties in the beginning. Uh, it it could be difficult to gaze steadily at one point for longer time, because it's a natural tendency of eyes to droop and to blink, eyelids to blink. So if at all it is happening, do not worry, it is natural. Slowly with practice you will be able to do better. In the beginning, start with only 5 minutes, as you keep on improving, increase the timeline. um, don't practice Tratak if your eyes are straining. Okay, hold only till the point it is comfortable. Remember this thing always. Yoga is all about applying the minimum efforts. So yeah, that's about Tratak. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.